Hello, this is Trevor Dean from AddAudio.com, giving you a demonstration of my new software, Web Audio Plus, which allows you to instantly create streaming audio for your web pages, blogs, and MySpace pages. I've opened the software and I've done nothing so far. This is the first screen you'll see. You have the option to record sound or load from an MP3 file or WAV. Since my message is in an MP3 file, I'm going to go ahead and choose that, but you could record the sound if you wanted to. Click Next. Now, since I chose File, I need to open the file and select it. I'm going to choose River of Life MP3. Down here it gives you an option to change the quality of the sound of the audio. Medium quality will be absolutely fine for an MP3 and most of your applications. If you want to improve the quality, just be aware that it will increase your file size of the final product. Click Next. Here you can choose which buttons you would like. I'm going to choose the square buttons. You could go blue. You can choose whatever color you want. Since I'm doing it for a MySpace page, I'm going to do white, so it'll stay with my color scheme. Same with the background, just leave it as white. Click Next. Up here, you see an autoplay audio option. I'm going to check that, and what that does is it'll play your audio automatically as soon as your page loads, so your visitor comes to your page. If you don't select that, then they will have to click the play button. You can also change the size of your buttons, but 99 times out of 100 that'll be just fine right there. Down here at Save To, you need to click Change. You need to give it a name, River of Life SWF. This is so that you can find your file to upload it to your server. Okay, and here you need to highlight, copy the text, and then you come down and you click Make. I'm going to pause the video, but click Make. Alright, once it's done making your video, it'll bring you to this screen where you can run the player and give it a test. There it is. It looks good. It sounds good. I'm going to click Stop and close it. Now we're ready to upload it to our server. So what I'm going to do is I've already logged into my server. As you can see, I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to choose the .swf file because that's the only file you need to upload. Okay, and go ahead and you're going to upload it to your server. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, once your file is done uploading to your server, you can come back, and now we need to add it to my MySpace profile or your web page, whatever you want to do. I'm going to click Edit My Profile because I want to add it to there. And the code that I copied, I need to go ahead and insert. I'm going to put it in my About Me section, but you could put it anywhere. Right-click, paste, and there's a couple things that we need to change real quickly. You see this? Right here it says E, it's looking on my E drive. Well, the web would never be able to find that. That's why we had to upload to our server. So I'm going to go ahead and type in add audio. You would put in your server name and URL, and I put it in the demo folder, so we'll put it there. Again, here's another one where it says E, and just these two places, http://addaudio.com/demo. And we're good to go. Everything else looks good. Now that we're pointing to the server instead of a local drive, we can say Save All Changes. And we can go Home and View My Profile. And once we do that, we'll see it loaded right there. And we're done.